Some people leave behind more than memories. They leave a legacy.
Quarter, 7-0 Wisconsin. Look at the Nebraska score, and here we have no score as Missouri has the ball from zone 48, numbering, throwing, deflected.
He played the game with heart.
Dallas Grider is the man that wound up with the interception.
And he coached with even more. Beyond the game, he was a father, a mentor, a man of faith. His impact lives on in every life he touched. But to me, he was my grandfather, and this is the Dallas Grider story.